Hello dear viewers, James Braithwaite here. How are you doing? Now, here you will be seeing one of my other gardening videos. But this is part gardening and part indoor, I suppose. You see these? Now, this indoor spider plant is a kind of jungle plant. They generally grow inside trees and sort of slight dips in trees in the wild. You know, they're a rainforest sort of plants, so that's why they have these offshoots. You know how they spread. They're parasitic essentially. This is all specialist sowing and cutting compost. And here I'll show you the plantlets that have been sprouting off. Another word for these would be runners. Okay, just snap that one off. And you see here, it's getting little root stocks ready for wherever it decides to settle. So, we use that to its advantage. And set up a little spider plant. We'll probably be doing this the same time next year, or even dare I say it, this autumn, because these things absolutely love doing this. Okay. Oh. Jeepers creepers, I think I'll need more than that. Okay, welcome to my miniature jungle. Right. Okay. Got another couple of little pots. I was only asking you where they were. Well, righto. See you in a sec. Okay, honey, I'm home. There's a lovely one. Ooh, this one looks a really strong one actually. something's just actually occurred to me, dear viewers. It's kind of fitting I'm doing a spider plant, because it's ending up on the web. So, that's all the bases covered. Comedy, gardening, and how to spend a free hour. This one's definitely a good one. Just a moment. Yep, here I am again. This is trouble with shrapnel plant pots, you can never guess what you've got. What the hell was that? Here's another big one. strawberries spread a lot like this. They have runners, and you plant 3 strawberry plants in the garden of a springtime. Come autumn, you'll have at least 16. Good value, I suppose. Anyway, let's show you what I've got. There we are. That's the mother plant, if you will. And here are all the young plantlets. Just get that out of the way. All the best that I can do. Okay, hope you like that. I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.